Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you see error on your Instagram, an unknown network error has occurred. So how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, you can also try to close your Instagram app and open again. And if it doesn't help you, you can also go to the settings. In the settings you need to find to turn off and turn on Wi-Fi, turn off and turn on mobile data. If you're using mobile data, also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So after, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple, restore your phone. And if you still have the server, so you can also just try to update your Instagram. Just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Instagram, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and it will successfully update your Instagram app. So this is a way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.